Are you looking for a simple, natural way to relieve pain and speed up healing? This easy-to-make onion poultice can be the solution you've been waiting for. Stay tuned to learn how this common kitchen ingredient can help with headaches, cold, and even minor burns. Hello and welcome back to Splendor's Remedies, your go-to channel for natural remedies and wellness tips. Today, I'm sharing a powerful natural healing trick using something you probably already have in your kitchen: onions. You won't believe how this simple, everyday ingredient can help you relieve pain and promote faster healing. A poultice is a mixture applied directly to the skin, either hot or cold, that works by promoting blood circulation, soothing pain, and accelerating healing. Onions are packed with beneficial compounds that make them a powerful ingredient for a poultice, especially for pain relief and healing. Onion poultices have been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat a variety of ailments from headache to cold and even minor injuries. When applied to the skin, onions help dissolve toxins, fight microbes, and reduce inflammation. Now let's dive into how onion poultice can help with specific issues. First up, headaches. If you suffer from tension or sinus headaches, applying a raw onion poultice to your forehead can help alleviate pain. It works by improving blood flow to the area, which can relieve the pressure that causes headaches. Onion poultices are also great for treating colds and cough. Placing the poultice on your chest can help clear congestion and soothe your respiratory system. For cystis, a painful bladder condition, you can apply the poultice to the lower abdomen for 40 minutes to relieve discomfort. Making your own onion poultice is easy. Here is what you will need: 2 to 3 onions, a non-stick pan, a thin cloth or gauze. First, chop the onions into small pieces. Then place them in a non-stick pan over low heat. If needed, add a little water to soften them. Let the onions cook until they become soft and release their juice. Once the onions are ready, wrap them in a thin cloth or gauze. Then apply the poultice to the painful area, whether it's your forehead for headaches, chest for colds, or abdomen for cystis. Leave it in place until it cools down or until you feel relief. So why does this work? Onions contain compounds that help dissolve toxins and kill microbes, making them perfect for disinfecting minor wounds, insect bites, and even sore throat. Plus, their natural anti-inflammatory properties reduce swelling and discomfort, promoting faster healing. Not only does the onion poultice help with pain relief, but it can also reduce the appearance of scars, making it a great remedy for minor burns and scratches. If you find this natural remedy helpful, give it a try and let us know how it works for you in the comment below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Splendor's Remedies for more amazing herbal remedies and wellness tips. And share this video with a friend who could use a little natural pain relief. Until then, stay healthy and natural, and I will see you in the next video.